getting all these logs out of here in case a boat hits it. We don't want a boat to hit it. So I'm helping out this morning. We're out here, we're gonna see some boat racing. I love watching these guys. I like coming out here and checking them out. You never know or expect what to see. Crashes, sinks, you know, it's gonna be an exciting day. So let's go enjoy. They're just getting started right now. When you're not sure what prop they're on, you just bring them all. Is that right?
Too many different boats, man.
Holy smokes!
Yeah, but these are the good props. So.
They were the ones in the felt.
125 to 135 a piece for these.
Yeah.
You know.
Yep. Each one different pitch, everything, right? That's sick. You're
mainly
so labeled. That's so cool, dude.
Yeah, because what works here don't work in Amarillo.
Yep,
you know?
That is so sick, dude. So cool. Oh, it's pretty cool to show people. It's like, man, this really is out there, you know, like, and this is serious. Twin motors. Double trouble. Oh, are you selling these?
You can have that one.
Dang.
just get used to this. This is going to be the cat class all day.
Yep.
What happened? What do you think?
Lost radio.
Dang
I
it.
couldn't turn it, and it wasn't responding. When it finally did, I let off on it.
Dang it. Well,
More than likely, it got water the last time that he threw it in sideways in the receiver. Yep. So if you got people to hang around with that can help you out,
Yeah.
with stuff, and especially like if you come to a race like this,
yeah.
anybody here, you come over and ask them a question.
I mean, yeah.
I have no secrets.
Yeah.
I have no secrets whatsoever.
It's a fun time out here.
Because I mean, if I'm the only one in front, then what fun is that?
Yeah.
I need I need competition.
Yeah.
Because when we go someplace else, you know, we're racing against people we don't know and we want to be out there at that point.
Yeah.
But here, racing here, any secret I've got,
There is no secret. He shoots.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm open to tell you anything and everything.
Heck yeah. Hey, well, thanks, dude.
Like I said,
Heck yeah.
get with
That was sick, dude. That was a really, really good race. That was a good race right there. Dude has some really, really cool boats. Yep. Buddy, what do you think about this weekend? It was a great weekend, right? Other than choppy today, yesterday was super fun.
It was.
You won
a good time.
You won a couple of races too, right? You won like what, 3?
Yeah, I raced 3 classes. I think I won 3 first place out of the. I mean, I won 4.
And you won first.
And I won first in 3 out of the 4.
And this one just won.
Yeah.
One.
Yep.
She just won one. And I showed you the boat earlier yesterday. We went and saw some of his boats, but yeah, that's all wood. I definitely want to make one of these for sure. But other than that, I think it was fun. Like, I think more people should see this, right? Like,
Oh, yeah.
it's just super exciting.
But everybody knows this pond when the wind blows out of the south, it gets rough.
It's rough.
Just part of
Yep.
it.
But it's part of racing too. You never know. You can't, not in nature, you can't do it. But other than that, yesterday was sick.
Yeah.
Yesterday was an awesome day of racing.
It was.
Dude, it was so
fun.
excited. But yeah, thanks for
I
having us.
appreciate y'all coming out. And
Oh.
taking the video.
Heck yeah, we will. Thank you. Tell the viewer it was cool. It's a fun hobby.
Oh, it is.
It's a fun hobby.
The beauty of it is if you have a wreck or something, nobody gets hurt,
Yeah.
you know? So
Yep. especially when it's done right, you know, like, and y'all do things pretty right here, keep people safe and everything. So, heck yeah, thank you, buddy, for talking to me.
Okay.
And it was nice meeting you, sir.
Nice
And
you.
thanks for letting us come out. It was cool. Thank you. Yep. Well. She's got that race face.
Y'all ready?
She's stuck in the mud. This is an amazing hot dog. Amazing wings. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Beginner, the newbie, beginner stock mono. Second place, Lydia Ford. First place, Rebecca Love. Everybody say, yay, Rebecca!
Yeah, Rebecca!
says, congratulations, first place. Classic Thunderboat. With a whopping 25 points. Third place, Beaver Tannehill.
Yeah, Beaver.
Second place, he already packed up to go to Oklahoma, Daryl Hamilton. First place, perfect score, 1,200 points, Little Brandon. Q1 Catamaran yesterday, third place. Because somebody didn't pay attention to his booty cut. John Gordon, 825 points.
Heck yeah.
Second place, Terry Willis by winning the last heat. First place, Oscar Love. Congratulations, Oscar. G1 Mono. Third place, Jerry Roberts, 694 points. Second place, Mr. Red Light, Eugene Dukes. First place, Oscar Love. G1 Rigger. Third place, 25 points, Oscar Love. Second place, 1,100 points, Jerry Roberts. First place, Buddy Stone.
Yeah, buddy.
You got the rigger running.
Heck yeah.
G1 Sport Hydro. Third place, Buddy Stone, 550 points. Terry's taking a bath down here.
He's icing that. He's icing that head out right there.
Running a Thunderboat.
I was like, how much ice is in there?
John Brandon Borden. He took my boat and I entered it and he took it. First place, Terry Willis.
Nice.
Perfect score, 1,600.
Whoa, perfect.
G Limited Catamaran. Third place with 807 points, Brandon Borden. Go ahead and take a break, Brandon. Okay. Second place, Tommy Wagner with 1,050. First place, Terry Willis.
Hey.
Yay for Terry. G Limited Mono with 300 points. Third place, Daryl Hamilton. Second place, 900 points, David Kelly. Way to go, David. First place, perfect score, 1,600 points, John Brandon Borsman. Open Cat. Third place, Tommy Wagner. Second place, Oscar Love, 400 points. First place, me, John Borden. Open Mono. Third place, Jerry Roberts. He's still crying about the cutoff. Second place, Oscar Love. And first place, Mr. Red Light, Eugene Dukes.
Heck yeah.
Open gas rigger. This is a tough one. We don't even want to talk about the 25, so we're just going to get that right to Buddy Stone.
Yeah.
400 points. Open Sport Hydro, they actually ran the last round to see who's going to break the tie. In third place was Jerry Roberts. But Terry Willis did manage to get 25 points in the first heat. And he will honorary member. And first place, again, Buddy Stone. He won just about everything this weekend. Offshore,
John.
lapping the field in the last round with the Superboat, John Newhouse.
Wow, yeah.
Mr. Consistency, David Kelly got second. And Oscar just squeaked into that first place, even though he lost radio. Superboat yesterday. Good thing I finished one heat. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got any points at all. So John got third place. Me, 325. Second place with the big pink boat, 825 points, John Newhouse. And first place, Oscar Love. I don't know why I have a DQ for you, John, in the last heat. Oh, I know why, because you cut Buford off. You cut Oscar off in the try. Okay, we got that. All right, so there's our points. Everybody tear down. Have a good, safe trip going home. We again thank John Newhouse and the Alamo Model Motors for hosting us. John,
It'll get better.
and John's gonna auction off a boat. One slightly used Thunderboat.
Oh, that's good. That'll go home with me. I'll fix it for him.
Thank you, everybody. Besides the cook, where's the cook? Cook's here. Man, did that guy do some cooking?
Yes, he did.
He did. I gave him a tip. I hope everybody else did also. But yeah, it was awesome. Lunch was awesome.
Thanks to these guys for letting us come out and film. It was a great weekend. Thank you.
It was awesome.
Thank you for letting us come out
No,
here.
thank you for doing all the videoing.
yeah.
The videos were awesome. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah. And to the viewers that don't get to see this all the time, what do you think? Come out, check it out. Maybe
You should get into the hobby.
Yeah. It's a
really
good, fun hobby, right?
Yes, it is.
Hey,
Been doing it for 40 years now.
Yeah. Thanks for letting us come out
No
and
problem.
film. Thank you. I
very much.
appreciate it. And the video will be out soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Love it, bud. Thank you for doing it.
Heck yeah. You heard it from him. It was a great weekend. Super great weekend. Super fun folks. Everybody's packing up and leaving now. And they're ready to go home. Some people came from Houston. Some people live in town. I'm pretty sure we have others that don't live in town, but other than that, it was a pretty crazy weekend.